Hi there, it's Yakir from Art Intelligence, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Edit Wall in Place tool in the Environment for Revit plugin to model sloped walls like a pro. Now if you ever struggled with modeling sloped walls before, trust me, this tool is a game changer. With Edit Wall in Place, you can easily select a chain of walls and add grips along the walls to control the heights and design some beautiful and smooth sloped walls easily. So if you are ready to save yourself some serious time and hassle, let's dive in and learn how to use the Edit Wall in Place tool. First off, let's look at this project with the main curved road that is climbing up. And I want to slope those walls on the side of the road to follow the road with a 1 meter stand-up. All we need to do is select the chain of walls we want to edit, go to the Environment tab and click on Edit Wall in Place. Now the selected walls will change their color to blue, telling us that those walls are in edit mode. And we can also see that the cursor can identify the wall's top and base edges. We can click on any point from any edge to create a grip that allows us to control the heights of the walls at the specific point by moving the grip manually or setting a value in the top offset parameter. Once you are done with a certain grip, just click anywhere on the screen, then you can pick a new grip point. To make sure our design is accurate, I will enter to the tile view and place some spot elevation in the floor plan to see the heights of the road in some key points where the walls and the roads meets. Now for the real magic. Once we are done with the design, we can click Finish and wait for Environment to complete the process. And that's it, our walls are all adjusted and looking amazing. And how this magic happens, you're probably asking. So Environment creating a void elements that cut the walls along the curved part of it. And for the straight parts, it simply automates the process of edit profile. Before we finishing up, here are 3 things you need to know. Firstly, if you are working with tangent arc, like in this example, the tool will automatically create a consistent slope to the entire chain of walls. Secondly, you can place grip anywhere on the walls, including the bottoms. Lastly, the tool retains the wall joint settings and allows you to modify them as usual. So make sure to check out our website and user guide to learn more about environment tools. Thanks for watching.